is Southwest 212. Let's do some math. Roger.
Okay, we're going to do elimination here. If you didn't know, this is number 17 on your homework. That's right. Okay, we're going to do some elimination. So the first thing I need to do is check and see if the X's are all lined up. If you just didn't know what this was, this is a jumbo pen. Yeah, getting a scan of that. Jumbo pen. Thanks, Kara. Let's do this. My X's are lined up, my Y's are lined up, my numbers are lined up. So I'm going to multiply something on my X's to make them match up. Because my 4 and my 5 for the Y's, that's going to be a mess trying to get a decimal to multiply to make a 4 into a 5. So I'm going to times this top equation by 3 to make them both have a 3. I'm also going to need it negative, so I'm going to times by -3 to everything and rewrite it down below. So that gets me -3x, -12y equals a -3 times a +1, so -3. So there's my new equation there. I'm going to cross this out, don't need it anymore. So let's add this together. We're ready to go. These x's are going to perfectly cancel. I've got a plus and minus 3x. So my y's, I've got -7y equals 7. I'm going to divide both sides by -7. So y equals -1. Let's go over here to this side and plug it in. So I'm going to take the -1 and plug it in. I'm going to plug it into this equation right here. So I've got 3x plus 5 times -1 equals 10. Okay, we'll multiply that out. So 3x minus 5 equals 10. We'll get rid of our 5 right here. So we'll add 5 to both sides. Bring down our 3x equals 15. And we'll divide by 3. X equals 5. And let's write our coordinate pair and we're done. The answer for this is 5, -1. If we graphed these, that's where they would cross. Don't forget to smash the like button when you're done. Southwest 212 over and out.